Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and today I will let to show you the way how you can remove the object from video with the CapCut. You just need to open the CapCut right away and open the project that you want to edit in. So here you can see that I have this two object on this video. So if you want to cover one of the object, just tap into the clip, and then you just need to duplicate this clip first. Then just tap it, and right after you got the duplicate clip, make the duplicate become an overlay. The next thing you need to do is just go adjusting the overlay clip here to be in the same position with the original video. Now tap into the overlay clip, and you just need to find mask tool down part here, and right after that you need to pick the shape, and then adjusting the position of the shape here and adjusting the size. And right after you're done, just go click this checklist button and drag it into the top of the object that you want to remove. Right after that, go click in the blank space and you are done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.